Our precision process begins as tons of raw, sun-dried cashew nuts arrive at our state-of-the-art processing facility. Each raw cashew nut is meticulously inspected to ensure the protective outer shell remains intact before processing. Massive volumes of premium raw cashews transition into the intake system, maintaining a consistent flow for production. Automated vibrating feeders organize the raw nuts, preparing them for the critical steam conditioning phase that follows. This initial intake ensures every single raw cashew meets our rigorous standards for size and moisture content. Our journey intensifies as raw cashews enter high-pressure steam chambers to soften their resilient and woody shells. Automated high-pressure nozzles deliver precise water jets, removing organic residue with absolute industrial efficiency and technical speed.
Advanced optical sensors identify imperfections at millisecond speeds, ensuring only the highest quality raw nuts proceed further.
Targeted bursts of compressed air instantly deflect substandard nuts, maintaining the absolute integrity of our premium production.
Precision shelling begins as specialized impact blades strike the raw cashews with surgical accuracy and force.
The steam-conditioned shells yield instantly to mechanical pressure, revealing the delicate skin-on kernels protected deep within.
Automated centrifugal forces accelerate the mixture, separating heavy shells from the tender tan-colored kernels with effortless speed. High-frequency vibrating decks organize the newly liberated kernels, ensuring each unit remains intact for the next stage. This sophisticated transformation marks the end of the raw shell, transitioning our premium cashews into their edible form. Our mechanical peeling systems utilize high-velocity air pressure to strip away every remaining fiber of the tan skin. Creamy white kernels emerge through a complex sequence of frictionless air jets and specialized food-grade abrasive rollers. Sophisticated optical sorters evaluate the chromatic purity of each nut, ensuring an uniform and flawless ivory appearance. Micro-moisture conditioning stabilizes the internal cellular structure, delivering the signature creamy texture and crisp industrial finish. The transformation into a pristine industrial product concludes as kernels are organized by their size and weight. The transition to our high-speed filling station ensures that every creamy white cashew nut remains perfectly preserved. Automated rollers form food-grade laminates into protective pouches, designed to shield these premium kernels from environmental moisture.
Pure nitrogen gas displaces oxygen within the package, effectively preventing oxidation and maintaining the nut's signature buttery texture.
Precision-calibrated scales release an exact volume of cashew kernels into the weighting pouches with millisecond industrial timing. Integrated heat-sealing jaws apply specific thermal pressure, creating an airtight bond that locks in the cashew's freshness. Precision robotics take command as our sealed cashew pouches are systematically organized into heavy-duty master shipping cartons. Automated box-forming machines construct corrugated shipping containers with absolute mechanical speed and flawless industrial-grade alignment accuracy.
High-speed suction grippers transfer individual units into master cases, maintaining sterile conditions through every stage of production. Industrial taping heads apply reinforced adhesive strips, securing the cashew shipments for their journey to global distribution centers.
Automated inkjet systems print high-resolution traceability codes, ensuring every batch of premium cashews meets our rigorous standards. Our finalized shipments of premium cashews are efficiently transferred to climate-controlled logistics containers for high-speed global distribution.
Every master carton is systematically positioned within the shipping vessel to maximize space and ensure absolute material safety.
Our facility maintains a continuous flow of high-quality cashew products. Serving specialized logistics fleets operate with millisecond precision, maintaining the cold chain integrity from our factory to the port.
Global export networks expand our reach, delivering the finest creamy white cashew kernels to demanding and premium consumers worldwide.
Finally, the airtight seal is broken, releasing the rich, buttery aroma of our expertly processed cashew kernels.
A golden cascade of ivory kernels showcases the absolute uniformity and pristine quality achieved through industrial precision.
Notice the subtle luster and smooth surface, representing the pinnacle of modern material science and nutritional excellence.
The definitive industrial snap reveals a dense, creamy interior, providing a satisfying sensory conclusion to our journey.
From raw shell to creamy kernel, this is the ultimate industrial symphony.